Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today I want to show you this 2019 Springdale 271 RL. So the RL is going to stand for a rear lounge. Over here you're going to notice you have your freshwater connection and city water connection with a big pass-through storage where you could fit lawn chairs, tables, things like that you're going to take camping with you. Around here you're going to have room for two 12-volt batteries, two propane tanks or one big tank, and then a power front tongue jack. It's prepped for solar and it's got electric stabilizing jack. So really easy. All you do is come down and hit the button here to extend or retract those jacks. Makes it easy for when you're finishing up or setting up for camping. So here's your black tank flush, outside shower. It's got two entries into the trailer, one outside the bedroom and the other one is going to be back in the living area here. Big power awning with LED lights up above, about 14 feet long, a good place to put chairs and barbecue. As we come inside, one thing I like is it's an overcast day out here in Junction City, Oregon. It's very light inside. So you have your two chairs here in the back with storage up above. Nice fold-out couch that's an extra sleeping area. And a big sink. So it's a farm style sink where you can actually fit a couple of dishes in. And what this does, it gives you a little bit of prep area. Sometimes in the rear lounge models, we give up a lot of the kitchen space. So 3-burner stove, big oven, lots of storage up above. Of course, we got the microwave, and then we've got our drawers where we can fit our kitchen utensils. Big Dometic fridge freezer that's gonna run off of propane or electricity when you're plugged in. And then we're gonna have more storage here. So Furrion TV with your home theater system as well, and then it runs off of Bluetooth or USB. And then you'll have your booth dinette, which is also another sleeping area. LED lights all the way through. It's going to have forced AC and heat. Jack and Jill bathroom. So when I say Jack and Jill bathroom, it means you have two entries in and out. So toilet right over here. Big nice shower, sink, and then we got storage up and below the sink here. As you come inside, you got a walk around queen bed, decent wardrobe on both sides. As I talked about before, you have that exit out the bedroom as well, which makes it nice, gives you a little bit of options when you're coming in and out of the trailer as you're camping. If you have any other questions on this Springdale rear lounge, call Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223 and have a great day. Thank you.